beautiful butterflies. Today, I want to show you my fidgets. Fidgeties. Okay. First, I have this rainbow puppet, and it's Among Us. I love it. Okay. So I have a water timer. Then I have this. I don't really know what it's called. Or you could just fidget with it. Try to make
Infinity cube.
It's not an infinity cube.
I know.
My friend's with me, and she's calling it infinity cube. Let's stop. Okay, so this. I got orange sparkly fat monkey noodles. Come on, come in the video. Editor.
Yeah, I am editor. So
I'm the new editor.
pretend you never saw me.
Yeah. Okay, then I have this pop tube. Then I have this gigantic Nintendo ball. I love that. And then I have another fat, sparkly monkey noodle ice cream. Then I have another rainbow puppet. Then I have another puppet, but this is, I forgot what it's called, but it's orange.
It's a
And I have
hexagon.
snake. And I have this orange purple fish. And then I have this like the try to get in order.
Pass it back. Pass it back.
And this is that.
Thank you.
And I have Rubik's Cube. Oh man. Okay. Then I have another pop tube. Then I have unicorn, shaggy,
Shaggy.
fidget spinner. And then I have broken piece of pop tube.
Mine.
And then I have this thing. I don't really know what it's called, but you have to click it and mix numbers. And then next, I have two spiky balls. I might have more though. And I have this fidget pad. And I have three mochis. I think I have another one. Yeah, I got 4 mochis. Can I jump in? Yes. My other editor, and I have this better monkey noodle. I have this other blue marble mesh, and then I have this terrible. Wasn't that Aiden's? Yeah. Yeah. And that's all my fidgets. Comment down below which one's your favorite. My favorite's this. Editor, what's your favorite?
The cube.
Editor 1, and that's editor 2. But yeah, see ya, my beautiful butterfly!